touch the fan.
Oh, you mustn't touch the fan. You'll get in trouble.
You mustn't touch the... No, Pepper. You mustn't touch the computer. And George, you mustn't touch the computer either.
Exactly.
You really must take more care, Teddy.
Yes, you must take care of Teddy.
If you take your toys, you must look after them.
Yeah.
You
Exactly.
must clean the car before you go for a drive.
Yeah. Can't see the filth.
Yeah, g'day, this is Corey. Welcome back to the Jurgs Cup official build, the AR85, the Legacy build, and just the plain stupendous build. Filled in that little logo thing with some more resin, and I'm taping some end grain from the offcuts of the leftover pieces and put a veneer between them and making ears out of the end grain veneer just to make life even harder, I guess. And yeah, at one point this had over 700 laminations in it, or individual pieces, but it's not that now because I've trimmed the headstock down as we're speaking. And yeah, this took pretty much a day to do because it was really hot, so I didn't want them slipping around, so I ended up taping them down, and it works really well. So I thought it'd be a good idea to glue the back on and then sand it flat, put some more epoxy on because I wanted a blue tint to it. So that's the idea behind this. I still, as of recording, I still need to get some more resin, which is coming, so I can have it all nice and level for the headstock plate, the back and the front, and even the cavity cover, because I've decided I'm going to leave the F-holes covered with resin because no one else has done that, I don't think, and I think it looks cool. We can put a LED behind it and yeah, it should look good. This is me doing the cavity cover. I was going to... Is it the cavity cover? Oh, yeah, I had a big revelation today. Revelation. Anyway, I did the headstock plates and I drew the outline on there, and then I changed the headstock shape. So I had to sand it all back again and then put more resin on it. So this is the new shape. It's the most outer parts of each part is equal to each other. Even though it's asymmetric, like that little pointy bit is the same as the diagonal bit, if that makes sense. So I thought, you know what, I will just sand to the lines, because I was doing another neck at the same time and ended up having a piece chip off. So I thought, you know what, I'll just sand it, and I'm happy. And I didn't drill all the way through when I drilled before. I just did like little bits, and the treble side was a little bit off because I wanted them 15 millimeters in from the edge. So I just filled them in with cocktail sticks, and literally there's only about 2, maybe 3 mil of cocktail stick in there, and it'll get drilled out with the 10 mil bit anyway. But I did that to just start the hole. I'm going to use cocktail sticks to align the head plate anyway. So yeah, here I'm just cutting off a little bit of the scarf just so I can get in for that last tuner thing, sorry. And yeah, sand. I left that little nub on there because I was going to use template to route, but decided against it. And this is actually the real reason why I glued the back on, because I thought, you know what, it'll stay level better if I have it like this. And it turns out, you know, smearing the resin across with like a paddle pop stick or a popsicle stick or whatever you want to call it, like a flat piece of wood, it doesn't get it too level. So next time I'm going to heat up the resin so it's nice and runny, and then I'm going to just pour it and let it self-level. And I think that's the best thing I can do. And hopefully it'll save me a lot of sand. Did some sanding, and then like the little white bits from the sawdust, not the sawdust, sanding dust from the resin, end up being in a few little holes. So got a little cocktail stick and got rid of them, and that's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you later.